So what we're doing today is we're making 180 or so candle bases for a company called Barter. These are some of them here, and it gets this 1.5-inch thick beeswax candle that's super tall that sits on here. This was designed by my friend Kenny from Barter Design. Goes off this organic feel of squishing steel under the power hammer. It gets this point mounted here. So we have to machine this first, forge it, and then put that in, and then set that down. I'll show you how that works later. It's kind of a rush job, so I actually asked Adam. He's running the lathe today, doing the machine work, so that's pretty exciting. Let's go see Adam right now. What do you think about this machine?
Works pretty good. How old did you say she was?
1960s.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty easy to run. First time you showed me, I was freaking out a bit, but...
Okay, so on to points next?
Yep.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
So this is the setup that I made the other day. It's all from this old combine. This is the rad here, and then I had a chicken barred fan that I put on the back. This is the test run with this product, so I've been running this all morning. When I started, it was 75, and it actually cooled down. Oh yeah, there you go, 73. So it is working like so good. It's really, really incredible, actually. What a great help for this project. Now we're moving on to mounting the points which hold the candle to the base. I made a mistake. I thought this was supposed to be oversized on the lathe, and oversizing it has made it too sloppy, which is very unfortunate. That's my bad. This is the tool I use to press it in, and cracked. So I gotta make a new tool and or figure something out. So that's where we're at. I'll give this thing a shot, see how it works. It's been a little bit of a figuring out process here. Kind of had to do a hybrid of how I used to do these things and how we do them now. It's the best I've figured out to take up the slop. The end works out pretty good. So I just took this center punch. This is a 50 cal center punch as a prototype. I actually modified it, and I just use it to set the point, and then I go to the press. Press just kind of extra squeezes down the material. Works out really good. Adam, I'm telling everybody how you're just crushing it back here all day yesterday, just slugging out at the wire wheel. Pete, working on the box right now, which will be the crate, to get this stuff shipped out. Use corks, put them on the top here so that they don't go through the boxes in shipping. Done real?
Yeah.
Yes! That's gotta feel good.
Full day on the buffing though.
It's like a badge of honor now you get to wear.
Right?
All of this wire wheeled. We're pretty much finished up here. We just gotta let the wax dry and then package up. The only thing left to do is to thank today's sponsor, which is Squarespace. If you're looking to start a passion project, or maybe you need to just upgrade your website, think no further than Squarespace. It's the one-stop shop for all your online needs. Squarespace has award-winning templates in any type of category you're gonna need a website for. With the new Fluid engine, you can drag and drop and tweak that template to perfection. If you need a domain name, you can get that right at Squarespace. You need to sell something, you can set up an e-commerce website. If you need to sell something somewhere, you need a point of sale, you can connect a Square Reader to your Squarespace app and make that sale happen. Head over to squarespace.com/timd and get 10% off your first purchase. Thank you, Squarespace, for sponsoring this video. Found it. Thank you.
No worries.
Adam, crushed
Tim.
it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Barter Candles 2023. That's a wrap. On to the next thing. Whoop, whoop. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Till then, keep the forge lit.